Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to fix WhatsApp contact not showing in your contact list. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily fix this problem. So if today happens to be your first time on this channel, subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now let me open my WhatsApp and you can see I have saved this number over here on WhatsApp. So you can see this is a WhatsApp contact over here. So you can see Mr. Sass. Now once I search for this name in my contact, you can see it is nowhere to be found. So now you might have also encountered this problem. So to fix this, all you need to do is to just open your WhatsApp, the person's contact, and you can see edit at the top right corner over here. Now once you click on edit, you can see sync contact to phone. Just click on this option. So anytime you are saving contact on WhatsApp, you need to click on sync contact to phone. Without clicking on this option, the number will be saved on only WhatsApp. So for the number to appear in your contact list, click on sync contact to phone and click on done. Now let's go to our contact over here. Now let's search for Mr. Sass, and you can see the number is here. The name is here. So I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.